certain structure here. So, um, before we jump into the demonstration, yeah, I give you just a quick overview of what to do. Business communication. A lot of companies like yours, especially insurance companies, they have a lot of customer care, finance, um, claim automation. You get a lot of traffic via email, via chat, via voice. Yeah. Because people want to apply for an insurance, or they want to do to claim an insurance claim, and like companies like yours, or like Allianz, or like AXA, or like Unum, they have a lot of traffic. They don't have a handful of requests every day. They have thousands or millions every day. And especially here, our system comes into play. That means we automate from the very beginning. That means we start where the communication starts. Where the email comes in. Yeah, and automatically understand the semantics, so we can differentiate if this is a fire insurance claim, or if this is a car accident insurance claim. Because the system is not going after buzzwords, it's going after the semantics, so it really can differentiate what the person is willing to get. This is very important. Yeah. So do you understand what we do, more or less? Yeah.
Yeah, I got some idea. Definitely, I got some idea.
Okay. So to give you now a real idea what we do, we have prepared a simple, straightforward use case for car rental. Yeah. So this has nothing to do with your insurance at the beginning. Yeah. But we want to show you this because you should understand that our system is dynamic. Yeah. So what have we prepared? Yeah, we have prepared customer care via email. That means we use Gmail, but it can be Outlook, Yahoo, whatever. Yeah, it can be also chat. Yeah, and it's car rental because it's very common. People do this. Yeah, and if you look what big companies like yours are facing, you have a lot of communication. You have customers, you have employees, you have suppliers. Yeah, you have partners, you have a lot of communication. Yeah, you have people who apply for new jobs at your company. Yeah, it's everything going to a neurological point, like headquarters, to a hub, to a call center, all these things. Yeah, and when it comes there, our system is connecting to this. Yeah, and then you also have, databases in the backend. You have a Salesforce, you have an SAP, you have an HR database, you have a claim insurance database, yeah, whatever. You have somewhere storage, yeah, or you have Excel spreadsheet, yeah. And this is where we come in, and where we really orchestrate all these incoming messages, yeah, and really figure out what is repetitive and what is not repetitive, because there are certain things which are not repetitive. For example, iPhone 12, the first requests are not repetitive because the iPhone 12 has certain features and has to be differentiated from iPhone 11. Yeah, but the system learns, and this is also what we want to show you today. So what have we prepared for you? We have prepared 7 categories, like invoice inquiries, payment problems, all the things, accidents, with only 233 messages, in the 7 categories. Why do I emphasize it? All the current technology on the market needs at least 1,000 messages per category. That means a similar technology provider would need 7,000 messages, yeah, to show you a result. Yeah, and the first thing what we show you today is now this demo inbox. Yeah, this demo inbox. Can you see here? With this payment problems, with this logistics, with all the things. This is this 233 messages. Yeah, this is the database what we're using. Yeah, and our AI is connected to that. Yeah. So, and this is my private inbox. You can see, okay, this is my wife. She sent me something like theater and some other stuff regarding an e-tron from Audi. Yeah? And what I want to show you for first is how this technology is working. So I send a standard request in, yeah. It took us 28 seconds, yeah. And this is what we have trained it on, yeah. But you can put it in any way you want. You also can make it dynamic, yeah? Like, hi Florian, right after the action, you should stop if you can move your car aside, etc., etc. All these points what we trained it on, but you can put it different, yeah. What is now very important is this similarity check, yeah, with this, similar messages, yeah. This is super important because that makes a difference. If you look at all the similar messages, the system looked into the database, yeah, and looked what it was trained off, yeah.
Do you also have something for voice, as in what happens? No, if
Yeah,
some
yeah. The thing is, the brain, the brain for voice, email, and messaging is always the same. So if you ask me regarding voice, it is the same procedure. It is text to text or it's speech to text. Yeah.
speech to text
Only
and then text to and then back from text to speech. So the idea is
exactly.
yeah. So the idea is what happens is our customers know.
Yeah.
So they typically call us whenever they meet with an accident. Okay. So that is so in insurance that is called first notification of loss, or FNOL. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever an FNOL happens, typically in most of the cases, it happens over voice. And
Yeah.
then the agents at our call center is when they assist our customers on what would be the next steps and all of it, right? So if that piece can be automated, I mean, if we can understand the emotions with which the customer is calling, because just having an IVR will make the customer experience very hasty, very bad, because
Yeah, I know.
yeah, so that's what, yeah, if that is something we can solve, then definitely it's of great value to us.
Okay. We will do this use case, what you told me via voice, we do it now via email, that you understand how the system, how the brain is working. And I'll give you now a short outlook what we're currently working with Amazon on. Yeah. The whole topic regarding voice assistants, no matter if it's Alexa or any other call center assistant, is always the same. Listens for keyword to activate itself, captures next phrase for speech to text. Yeah. Asks to repeat too long or noisy. Yeah. Detects keywords or common phrases to find application. Asks to repeat it to ensure. Starts an application. Weather, booking, IoT. Yeah. And the thing is, what we propose and what I will show you now with your input, yeah, from Allstate is consider in the following guide. Hey, assistant, enlighten my place. Sorry, I couldn't get what you want. Turn on the lamp at my desk, please. Yeah, and then you confirm it. Okay. This is the whole self-learning, and this is what makes us different. Because as I told you before, and I will show you then, is people can say things in different ways. Hey assistant, enlighten my place. But what was the intention? Turn on the lamp at my desk. Yeah, I mean both sayings mean the same. Yeah, but told in different ways. Yeah, and this is how our system with self-learning helps. Yeah, and this is analog, no matter if it's email, chat, or voice. Yeah, and I would say now we train it now in this use case. What you said. Um, what did you say happens in your contact center via voice?
Yeah, thanks. Thank you so much for the demo. Indeed, helpful to help me understand. So, Florian, as a next step,
Great. Then thanks for your time
thank you
and
for your
happy to
time,
get the
Florian,
use
and
case.
my apologies again for
No, no problem. We are all busy, and these times are really challenging for all of us.